Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing this natural skin but dramatic eye makeup look. If you want to see how I created it, keep on watching. Guys, as my eyeshadow base, I'm going to be using the Soft Ochre Pro Longwear Paint Pot by MAC. This is what I usually use as my eyeshadow base. Now I'm going to be using the Gosh palette, and this is called To Rock Down Under. It's the 006 palette. I'm going to be using the shade and applying it in my crease.
Oh my god.
I'm going to be applying this dark purple on my lid. This is why I don't do foundation first. Do you see how that eyeshadow is falling down there? If I did my foundation first, then I would have been, oh shit, using a powder brush, touching up. Oh no, nobody has time for that. You just save so much time. Using my blending brush and applying that same purple in my crease as well and blending everything nicely together. Now I'm using the Stila glitter eyeshadows, and this is Pigalle. Just going to apply this in the middle here. Just tap with my finger. Ooh. Now I'm going to be applying my J1 primer from Glow Theory, and I love this primer. It's such a beautiful gel primer. Now time for lashes. I'm applying the Sphinx Beauty lashes. And then we are doing natural skin, so I'm going to be correcting my under eye area with my medium palette from MAC, using the warm side again to cancel out the blueness. And now using the yellow side, the cool side, to cover my blemishes, which is all the marks from my breakouts. So I just cover my problem areas, and then using a beauty blender, just want to blend this in. And now using the MAC Face and Body Foundation, and this is shade C4. This is a sheer coverage, lightweight foundation. It's also water-based, which I am going to be applying on my stipple brush, and then just doing a very thin layer of foundation. Okay, now that you have nice glowy, fresh skin, I'm going to be highlighting. So remember, nobody's the same color all over. You still want to add that dimension to your skin. So I'm using a beauty blender and then just going in with my MAC Light palette. The same palette, but this is the light one. I'm using the NC side, the cool tone side, just to add a bit of lightness to under my eyes and down my T-panel. As you can see, I haven't really added any coverage. It was just to lighten the foundation a little bit around those areas. Taking a nice small fluffy blush brush, and I'm going in with the dark palette. I'm just adding a very natural contour. Again, adding dimension to the face, raising those cheekbones. Adding that natural darkness to the forehead. And then adding some bronziness to the middle of the face which also makes the nose look slimmer. But it's not the full purpose. Contouring. And then at the bottom of the face as well for that double chin. As you can see, I just blot over where I applied my concealer because I don't want to move that concealer around. So I don't sweep the brush, I just blot over my contour. Okay, for my highlight, I'm going to be adding the Chrome Cosmetics liquid highlighter, and this is Glow Getter. This is a very beautiful gold undertone. So I'm just going to be adding this to my cheekbones, down my T-panel. I'm going to be using my beauty blender to blend this. Look at that glow. Okay, for my highlighter and a bit of beauty powder, I'm going to be using this Dandelion from Benefit. So gorgeous packaging, like damn, I just love this packaging. I'm going to be adding this just as a soft glow powder and as a highlighter at the same time. You can use it as well. Then for bronzer, I'm going to be using the Hoola from Benefit. Now I'm going to be using the same palette, and then I'm adding the shade underneath my eye, and I'm going to blow it out a bit because natural skin and a dramatic eye just looks so beautiful and editorial. And then with that same Stila shadow, I'm just going to apply it underneath my eye as well. So I just applied 2 dots underneath my eye to match top part, and it's just a little cute thing that you can do. Now I'm going to be applying the Lavish Waterproof Mascara by BYS.
Oh my god.
I'm going to be using the Pure Soap from Discam again and Fix Plusing it, and then taking a spoolie, brushing that in nicely, and then brushing up my brows. I just brushed up my brows. I'm not going to fold them in because I want quite natural brows, natural skin, but a dramatic eye. And now I'm going to be applying my lipstick, which is the Retro Matte Liquid Lipsticks from MAC. And these are so beautiful. This is the shade called Lady Be Good. I'm just going to be applying this over my whole lip. Now I'm going to be adding my Max Factor translucent powder, and I'm just going to use a fluffy brush to apply underneath my eyes, next to my nose, and on my lip. I feel like this is the only place I don't want to be glowy. Oh, that looks much better. I love this powder. And then to set this, using my Glam Glow Glow Setter. This, I can tell now, it's the best smelling setting spray you'll ever get. Hey guys, so thank you so much for watching how I created this. If you want to see more videos, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Insta.